Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a fish XP farm. First, you'll need to gather some basic materials to get started on your automated fishing setup. Make sure you have a sturdy fishing rod, a chest for collecting your items, and a hopper to transfer them. You'll also want a water source block, a fence post, and a pressure plate. These items are crucial for building the core mechanics of your efficient farm. Next, let's build the collection system for your farm. Start by placing a double chest on the ground. This will store all your valuable catches. Then, crouch and place a hopper directly on top of that chest, making sure it's funneling items into it. Above the hopper, place a fence post. This post will be key for positioning your fishing bobber correctly and consistently. Now, let's add the water source and complete the automation. Place a water source block one block above and slightly behind your fence post. The water should flow down, creating a small, contained pool around the post. Finally, place a heavy-weighted pressure plate directly on top of the fence post. This plate will detect your fishing bobber, triggering the automatic fishing mechanism for continuous experience. To operate your new farm, simply stand in front of the fence post and cast your fishing rod. Aim so the bobber lands directly on the pressure plate. The farm will then automatically reel in fish and experience orbs, providing a steady stream of both. This easy method allows you to gain experience points and valuable items with minimal effort. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.